Hi everyone! So, how do you feel about ramen for dinner tonight? Today, I'm going to show you how to making an easy but great tasting Char Siu Ramen. But before checking the video, please click like and subscribe at the bottom. Thank you! What you need for chicken stock. Chicken bone, you can buy at the Coles or ask your butcher. First, wash the chicken bone with hot water. Put the chicken bone into a pot and add ginger, garlic, and shallot. Then add 1.5 liters of water, turn heat to high and bring to the boil. Once the stock is boiling, remove the scum. Once you've removed the scum, reduce the heat to low and add dried shiitake mushroom into the pot. Simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Be careful not to let it boil or the soup will be cloudy. After 45 minutes, strain the soup. Nice clear soup. Making lazy char siu. This pork is already roasted, so it will save your time. You can get it at Coles or Woolworths. Remove the skin and slice the pork. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2.5 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and sliced pork. Turn the heat to low and cook the pork. Making ramen. Ramen noodle you can buy at the Asian shop or Coles or Woolworths. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce and a quarter teaspoon of salt into a bowl. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil into a fry pan and turn heat to high. Stir the bean shoot. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, then stir again. Boil water for your noodles. Follow the instructions on the package to cook your noodles. Strain the ramen. Pour the soup into the bowl and add ramen noodles. Add bean shoot and char siu, then you're done. So easy but tastes good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.